है, पेज 3 वहीं जाता है जहां होता है an overdose of glamour, fun and stars. Sexy bikinis on sizzling bodies, India's topmost designers and B-town stars. सभी कुछ था गोवा में और इसलिए this episode is an India Resort Fashion Week 2011 special. Imagine if our page 3 expert Simi Chandok spent a whole week in Goa. वहां पर कितना glam slam हुआ होगा. Why imagine? Let's go straight to Simi and get all the details. So Simi, welcome to the show.
Hi Supreet.
हमने सुना है आपने गोवा में बहुत मस्ती की है.
Absolutely Supreet, we did have a great time. I will tell you about the concept. It's really new. It's the India Resort Fashion Week 2011. But to say pehle, should we show a few glimpses to the viewers?
Why not? So what's Sushmita Sen doing there?
Well, obviously she was partying. She was having a great time, and the purpose of her visit, she was walking the ramp with Imtiaz Khatri for Shantanu and Nikhil.
सिमी, ये इम्तियाज काफी इंटरेस्टिंग लगते हैं.
Interesting लगते नहीं हैं, interesting है. Imtiaz Khatri, his company INK. Do not mistake it for Ink. It's INK, Imtiaz Khatri. He's a very young entrepreneur, barely 24 years old, and his company INK, do not mistake it for Ink. It's INK. They're into infrastructure and everything, but here they're sponsoring a fashion event.
But Simi, why the inclination?
I like your pun, and I asked Imtiaz the same thing कि कहाँ infrastructure and कहाँ luxury apartments and कहाँ fashion. So he had a very interesting reply. देखिए.
Sure.
That's Imtiaz Khatri with me, the MD of INK. Imtiaz, welcome to Zoom.
Hi.
इम्तियाज़, तो आपकी कंपनी लग्जरी अपार्टमेंट्स बनाती है, लग्जरी प्रॉपर्टीज़ बनाती है. सो व्हाट हैज़ मेड यू, मैं देख रही हूँ कि आप बहुत सारे फैशन ब्रांड्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स के साथ एसोसिएट कर रहे हैं, आप स्पॉन्सरशिप दे रहे हैं उन्हें. सो व्हाट हैज़ प्रॉम्प्टेड यू टू गेट इन्वॉल्व विद सो मेनी फैशन ब्रांड्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स द रिजॉर्ट वेयर वी हियर?
Basically, ours is a very young company, and we are trying to build our brand. So I think fashion is sports is best for the youth. So it connects very well with the youth.
And Imtiaz has managed to draw a lot of pretty film stars here, very sexy girls, but that's his charm. आप लग्जरी अपार्टमेंट्स बनाते हैं और आप अफोर्डेबिलिटी की बात कर रहे हैं, मुझे वो फंडा समझाइए.
Even a luxury apartment has, it is going to be very affordable. That's why.
Well, that's a very nice thought, and I hope you're successful in that. And I'll see you again at your next event. Thank you for talking to Zoom.
Thank you.
So Simi, is this the first time that a resort fashion week is taking place in India?
Absolutely correct again. It is the first time. Beautiful concept. And I was very impressed with Shalini Chugani as well. And she was really happy. I mean, I spoke to her on the first day of the fashion week, and then we caught her again on the last day, on the finale day, and she was so happy, and I can understand why. So we should check that out, whether it's her, whether it is Imtiaz Khatri from INK, and whether it is Aman Sweta, who was probably the creative mind behind this whole concept of having the finale on the beach, which probably has never been done in India before, and a flea market and everything. It was really interesting. So let's see what motivated these guys to start an event like that.
Let's check it out.
What do you think has been the response, and how are you feeling since you've done this for the first time here, the Resort Week in India?
My God, the response has been tremendous. It has honestly been overwhelming. I did not expect this. कोशिश करेंगे कि अगले साल भी इससे भी ज़्यादा करेंगे और इससे भी ज़्यादा बड़ा करेंगे, हमको ऐसे लगता है।
आजकल फैशन वीक्स में स्टार्स को लाना बहुत ही मुश्किल हो गया है and this was your first week and whether it was you or Imtiaz and other people, you all have managed to pull in a lot of star attractions here.
Yes, we have. मेरे को लग रहा है कि कॉन्सेप्ट की वजह से और इम्तियाज़ ऑफ कोर्स के वजह से हमने बहुत सारे स्टार्स लेके आए हैं और वो स्टार्स भी आए हैं अपने दिल से और अपने पैशन से रिजॉर्ट फैशन वीक के लिए।
I think the only person who was looking as sexy or second sexy to Sushmita was you.
How sweet. Thank you very much, Simi. And I think you are looking as sexy.
Thank you. And we're looking forward to seeing you again here for your next resort week.
Absolutely, without a doubt. We will meet very soon.
All right, time now for Hot Shot. Yani ki who were the best designers and who did the celebrities like the most?
I think clearly it was Manish Malhotra. It is difficult to choose one designer because each one of them was very creative. But Manish Malhotra ne apni imagination ko काफी wings दिए. It's like cholis and sari kind of resort wear. आप कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं कि बीच पे आप ऐसे कपड़े पहनेंगे. But he's just amazing when it comes to style and styling. When I was interviewing him and the cameras were on, he was styling me and he's like, listen, you're looking nice, but put your hair all on one side. So he's just completely impeccable. He's a perfectionist and his clothes were just brilliant.
You tried something, जैसे कि कोई fusion look था. So when you were looking at the resort wear, which is probably the first time in India, did you have the Indian woman in mind and the Indian beaches in mind?
So when it comes to resort wear, I didn't want to do Western. I want to do clothes which are like a fusion, a lot of Indian influence. It's like a modern Kalidar or like a Jodhpur in linen, a lot of flow. Because I think it's so important for a designer to stick by their label. So that's why if you notice, there were no dresses. There were more Kalidars, more chiffons.
More cholis.
Yes, more cholis, saris. It's like a resort version. Like now, for instance, if there's a Mehndi or a Sangeet or a party, which is Indian theme, happening in Goa, you can wear these clothes. And if you noticed, I kept it very clean. There were no accessories. There was just not too much fuss. It was a lot more flow.
You know, you have made already beautiful girls like Kajol and Rani look really slim and super sexy. So I think every Indian girl, whether she has the zero figure or not, is going to get away and look hot in these clothes.
Well, I think that it starts from me. I keep putting on weight and keep trying to slimmer, yeah. So it's all of us. So yeah, I think I just love glamour. I'm not apologetic about it. I don't intellectualize it. So I've always popularized Indian clothes. I love them. I love color. I love glamour. And there it is.
I love all the playing and I love you for all that.
Thank you.
And people like Sheetal Mafatlal, Rekha Kapoor, they came all the way from Mumbai just for this one particular show. Let's see what they have to say.
Great to see you in Goa.
It's great to be here for Manisha's show. It's been an amazing show. The event has been fabulous. It's a great venue, great opportunity to be here.
तो अगर आप जो शो देख रहे थे, if you had to pick a resort wear, a collection, or even just say one outfit, what would you pick from Manish's collection today?
I loved his green sari with the sequins bustiya. It was very resort. It was very Manish. It was very beautiful.
And where would you wear it? Your dream destination?
At a Goa wedding, hopefully.
You saw most of the designers showing their collections. आपको सबसे अच्छा किसका लगा?
मुझे तो मनीष का अच्छा लगा.
Of course.
Yeah, he's my favorite anyways. He showed fusion, saris, and it was a very good mix of a lot of things, and the best models were his.
एंड अगर आप रिजॉर्ट वीक से कुछ एक आउटफिट पिकअप करें तो क्या होगा वो?
The sarees with cholis and all that.
The one that Manish did.
Draped ones, basically.
सिमी, ये तो थी डिजाइनर्स के डिजाइन्स की बात, लेकिन who was the sexiest celebrity who deserves our hot shot title this week?
Oh, undoubtedly Sushmita Sen. Just look at her walking the ramp as the showstopper in that blue and red gown with Imtiaz Khatri, who himself is very well coordinated with her with wearing red and white. But Sushmita just was an absolute scene stealer.
वैसे सिमी, आजकल फैशन स्पॉन्सर्स भी काफी ग्लैम हो गए हैं.
Yes, they're no longer old and wearing ties with boring suits. You know, you have these young people now and they are themselves walking on the ramp, looking good. And everybody's very curious कि businesses that have nothing to do with fashion are actually promoting fashion. I think we should find out why.
Everyone's a fashion icon.
Absolutely.
We also a young company. This is also a young show. So it's really amazing. The overall response was amazing. Too many people showed interest and that's just too good. And I'm looking for more people next year.
It's good, it's different because I think fashion has never been tried in Goa. So having a venue like Goa, I think it's something different.
So a lot of business interest here.
Yes, that explains why Sunil Shetty was there promoting his project of luxury apartments at the resort week. I was confused, but he had the right answers.
Are you here without Mana because you want to look at all the bikini bodies?
No, we come here regularly, so we watch the bikini bodies together. Wave the apartment complexes that we're working on.
Okay, and are you part of it?
As the face probably, and before the face, I think because I bought into the place. I think that this was one place when I fell in love with and instantly said that it's Goa and such a beautiful place, I need my own place, so bought into it.
And what made you launch this kind of product at a fashion week?
This is the best place, and at the same time, it goes with the glitz and glamour of the fashion week.
Simi, somewhere you look very upset. And somewhere you look very happy.
Supreet, you're pulling my chain. I know. It's time for the lighter moments. Hustler. It's all at my expense. No problem. Let them enjoy it.
ऐसा लगता है कि page 3, along with Simi Chandok, has had a great time. Everything looks perfect on screen because we want you guys to have a great time. But ऐसा हमेशा नहीं होता. Check out the lighter moments जब हम परेशान होते हैं, लेकिन आप इन्हें देखकर हंस सकते हैं.
ओके, तो आप देख ही सकते हैं कि हम पहुंच गए हैं गोवा. Was the boom too high? Check the hair. I don't need untidy frames. Our earrings, everything is showing.
The makeup is really nice.
शालिनी, यहाँ पर मैं आपसे एक बहुत ही ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन पूछने वाली हूँ. पूजा, can you stop talking when I'm doing a bite?
Yeah.
Sorry. पूजा, sorry, शालिनी. आंख बंद तो नहीं आ रहा है ना?
दिल ने पुकारा हम चले आए.
हाँ.
Sorry, तुमने पुकारा हम चले आए. And don't miss the girls also.
Thank you, Simi, for the wonderful Goan fiesta we've just been through.
Of course, and I'm sure the best part was when everybody could laugh at me. Thank you.
Well, as usual, we'll love to have you back next week. Waiting for it.
Looking forward.
See you soon. हमारे और आपके बीच ये क्या हो रहा है? Beach wear हो रहा है. The fun continues after a short break, so keep watching. suntan, Goa की party, and of course the best of beachwear. हमने सब कुछ आज आपको घर बैठे ही दिखा दिया. This is it for Page 3 special for India Resort Fashion Week 2011. But hey, जाने से पहले check out कितने लोगों ने कितने दिन काम किया for this very episode.
And if you enjoyed these India Resort Fashion Week episodes, this is the entire Zoom team that has made it possible. Thank you guys. Thank you everybody. This is my great dream from Zoom. And you guys keep watching Zoom. Sare bolo?
Keep watching Zoom.
Thank you guys.
Hey guys, the glam ride ain't over yet, so stay on and I'll be right back.
It feels good because this makes India be standing up and being taken notice of, you know. Before this, you know, Miami has been known to do Miami Fashion Weeks, are known to do something on beaches. So this kind of just puts India on a map.
I think it's a good thing. I think it's fantastic. It's the right place to do resort week. I think Goa is probably the only city in the world, in India, that is on the world map when it comes to resort. And I think it's the right place. I hope they make it bigger and a little more focused.
I mean, if you say Goa, beachwear just fits in perfectly. And there couldn't have been a better venue, a better location than hosting Resort Fashion Week in Goa. I think it's just a perfect match and it's just a beginning. I believe there are many seasons to come.
So we will keep working hard and party harder to bring you the best of Page 3. And see you again next week. Until then, keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.